Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. And now something you already knew. The M18A1 Claymore mine is shaping the battlefield. In the landscape of modern warfare, certain weapons have become synonymous not with raw power, but with precision and tactical influence. The M18A1 Claymore mine is one such system. A device designed not to destroy indiscriminately, but to control space, deny movement, and give soldiers the ability to shape the battlefield itself. Introduced by the United States in the 1960s, during the height of the Cold War, the M18A1 was engineered as a directional anti-personnel mine, and like traditional buried mines, which wait passively for contact. The Claymore is a command-detonated weapon. This design shifts its role from one of hidden hazard to one of deliberate, controlled use. It is not intended to ambush blindly, but to be activated by trained soldiers at the precise moment when it can provide the greatest tactical advantage. The Claymore's distinctive curved, rectangular body is more than iconic, it is functional. The plastic casing houses a layer of steel spheres, nearly 700 in total, embedded in a plastic matrix in front of a carefully shaped layer of explosive. When detonated, this design produces a fan-shaped arc of high-velocity fragments, projecting outward in a cone approximately 60 degrees wide, effective across ranges of up to 50 meters. In essence, it transforms a section of open ground into an instant wall of steel, devastating to infantry caught within its reach. From a doctrinal perspective, the M18A1 has served as more than a weapon. It is a tactical multiplier. Infantry units have used it to protect perimeters, cover likely avenues of enemy approach, and strengthen defensive positions. On the battlefield, its psychological effect is as powerful as its physical one. The knowledge that an unseen barrier of lethal fragments may await deters enemy advances and slows their momentum. Historically, the Claymore gained prominence during the Vietnam War, where American and Allied forces deployed it extensively in ambushes and defensive operations. Soldiers could conceal claymores along jungle paths or at the edges of perimeters, connected by command wire to a firing device, when enemy troops advanced. A single squeeze of the detonator transformed the mine into a force equal to concentrated automatic fire. In the decades since, the Claymore has remained in service, modernized with refinements but retaining its essential design. Its portability, reliability, and ease of deployment have ensured its place in the arsenals of many nations, often as a standard issue item for infantry units. The M18A1 has also influenced the development of similar systems around the world, serving as a model for directional fragmentation mines used by NATO allies and beyond. Yet, while the Claymore is highly effective, it is not without ethical and operational considerations. Its use is regulated by international law, particularly regarding anti-personnel mines. Because it is command-detonated and does not act as a passive hazard after hostilities, it is permitted under the Ottawa Treaty framework, distinguishing it from uncontrolled, victim-activated mines. Still, its employment requires discipline, situational awareness, and a clear understanding of proportionality to avoid collateral damage. Today, the M18A1 stands as a symbol of the interplay between technology and tactics. It exemplifies how design can amplify strategy, enabling soldiers not only to fight, but to control when, where, and how the fight occurs. More than 60 years after its introduction, the Claymore remains an enduring reminder that in warfare, sometimes the most influential weapons are those that allow precision, control, and choice. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Goodbye. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.